Mount Vida Reserve makes it easy to sell and manage bookings online. Setup is easy. In this demo, I will set up online booking for a company doing boat tours. Let's begin. I have already registered on MountVida.com and I'm logged in, so I'm going straight to Mount Vida Reserve. From the Mount Vida Reserve homepage, I can find all the tools I need to set up and manage bookings. I'm going to start with the Offerings editor to configure my tours for online booking. Since this is my first offering, I have to click to agree to some terms. Now I can begin configuring my offering schedule. I'm going to go through and fill out the offering information for my boat tours, complete with photos and terms and conditions. The system makes it really easy since green check marks appear when I have completed all the information. When I have finished, I just click to Publish Online, and that's it. My tours are ready for booking. Now I can head back to my company page to view my newly added bookings. Find a great experience with Mount Vida.